birds are up there. There they are. Three of them now. There were two. This has been going on for, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. Patches says, meow. She got the vibrato meow. There she is. This one right here. She says, speak, Patches. What do you say to the bird? You say, meow. What's up, Simba? You got brown nose today. Meow. Mama's meowing too. You meowing, Mama Tigress? Tigress. Meow. What about you, Jody? You don't meow? Simba. What's up, Simba? What's up, Jody? Meow. Patches. What's up, my little Patch? I gotta check your collar. Is your collar okay? Let me see. Let me see. It's all distorted. I'll make sure that that thing's in the thing. It's all right. Okay. Oh, my baby. I love you. Yes. You're a good girl. Oh, good girl. What's up, Simba? That's it. Scratch, scratch. That's it. That was Tiger Kitty's favorite scratching place right there. These deep grooves were all made by Tiger Kitty. Great late Tiger Kitty. Meow. Oh, yeah. Meow. She can say meow, Jody. Come on. Meow. She's got like no voice, this kitty. When she meows, it's a whisper meow whenever she meows. But she's got the biggest, loudest purr. You can hear her purring sometimes across the room. That purr box is so loud on her. But whenever she goes to meow, it's like, it's like there's like almost nothing there. She's got a set of lungs on her. If she gets emotionally upset or she's in pain or something, she can, when we took her babies away, she started screaming for her babies and carried on for like more than a week. 2 weeks she carried on. Yeah. Searching high and low in the closet. She wanted to know what happened to her babies. She was a good mama. You're a good mama, Tigress. Tigress, Marmalade Pussycat Mama. That's your hashtag on YouTube. And her hashtag is Pussycat Jody Stockwell. She's named after a lifelong friend that died way before her time. But she loved putty cats, and she rescued putty cats. Yeah, and she would have really loved this girl, because all her putty cats were all dark-colored putty cats. She didn't have no white putty cat like this. And she would have loved her personality. Ooh. What's up, pigeons? Alright, putty cats. Looks like we got another video now to upload.